Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a vlog. Of course, I'm actually about to run to the store with my mom, so I gotta run out and meet her in the car. But today's gonna be fun. It's Memorial Day. All my friends from high school were all like getting together and having a barbecue and like a little party. So I'm really excited. That's gonna be really fun. I can't wait to show you guys. It's gonna be great. Let's go.
Why don't we drive by that church and you can throw that bag of laundry in?
Laundry?
Or clothes that you want to donate.
Okay. Wow, this is big for you. You're not yelling at me yet?
I didn't know you were doing that. Can you stop doing that, please?
I got the horses in the bag. Nobody tell me nothing.
Don't touch it.
Abby. Oh my god.
Muscles.
Oh boy. Holy moly. Oh, woman.
Look at the way that you part.
You are not helpful. Okay, this isn't a joke. I'm gonna hurt myself.
I got a new plant. I used to have a plant like this and his name was Louie.
And you killed Louie.
Okay, I'm gonna be making macaroons. I tried to make them yesterday and they actually didn't turn out that bad. I'm basically just gonna try and make them as much as I can to try and perfect them because I guess it's really hard to make macaroons. I'm gonna give you a little satisfying baking montage. Let's go. So I finished baking probably an hour ago and then I just had some lunch and Colin is coming over right now. We're about to go to our friend's house and meet up with a bunch of people and they're just going to be barbecuing all day and we'll probably stay there till late. Yeah, I will insert all of that footage from later today now. Hi Brookston!
Position, midfielder, freshman, body count.
Because if you're sleeping, you're bugging. I didn't realize. Shout out to my #1 Brooks.
Brooks the fucking best. We love her.
I'll subscribe.